Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Vivo V29, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, you need to open the control panel. Then disable all unnecessary features you have enabled. For example, if you're using mobile data, disable the Wi-Fi. If you're using the Wi-Fi, disable the mobile data, because when both of networks are enabled, maybe you think that they are both disabled, but no, they are both enabled. One of them just in passive mode, but it's enabled and using your battery power. Cool. Next steps: disable the hotspot if it's enabled, disable the newbie share, disable location services, NFC, so disable it all. And cool. So, now what we need to do? Now we need to open the settings and open the screen settings. So display and brightness. And here on our Vivo V29 we have OLED screen. It means that our screen was created from thousands of micro LED lamps, and it means that lamp can't create the black color. If you see black color on your LED screen, it means that in this place your LED lamps are disabled and not consuming your battery power. So the very good idea is to enable the dark mode, because in the dark mode, as you can see, the most of my screen is disabled, and it's really cool. Then scroll down and find the battery here, and here choose battery saver and click use battery saver to enable the battery saver mode. In this mode your device will use less RAM and less processor performance. In this way you will keep your battery in good condition. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.